Thank you, Mr. President. The human rights situation in Kashmir urgently requires Council's attention. The children in Kashmir under Indian occupation have become the worst victims of violence. The children have been killed by Indian troops. Children there have been disappeared for years together, and their parents still wait for their turn. The Indian forces arrest children from the schools and jail them in different parts of India, thousands of kilometers away from their homeland, the Kashmir. This all is done to deprive them from legal aid and also to deprive their parents to see their children. This situation has created a mental syndrome for the parents. Women under foreign occupation are the worst unfortunate victims of violence. One such example is also Indian-held Kashmir, where women are kept as hostage by occupation forces, subject to rape and other inhuman, degrading practices as political weapons. According to credible estimate, there are 27,000 to 30,000 widows and 2,500 half-widows waiting for their disappeared husbands. Due to this tragedy, they are suffering from serious mental illness. Mr. President, the occupied Jammu and Kashmir is one such place where there is no rule book for as far as media censorship goes. The Kashmiri journalists who document incidents of violation of human rights are usually threatened or attacked. In the name of security, special laws have been enacted by the Government of India to facilitate human rights violations. Even shoot to kill have been given to the Indian soldiers. They can shoot to kill at discretion with complete protection against suit or prosecution. This situation has drastically increased the human rights violations in Indian-occupied Kashmir. Mr. President, I would like to request the Human Rights Council to urge the Government of India to stop human rights violations, recall draconian laws, and abide by the international human rights standards. We further demand that a special monitoring mission be sent to the Indian-occupied Kashmir to look into the human rights violations there, so that